Oh, that tastes horrible. Get rid of this. Make sure I am muted. Yes! I'm so sorry. Hi. If you're new, hi, hello, how are you? My name is Bree. I was thinking about making some breakfast with these potatoes. Ooh. With some French toast, like, This is probably the most cooking that I'll do like all day today, honestly. Colors. It smells good. Like, it smells like French toast. Trader Joe's spice chai. Yes. Trader Joe's sriracha. They can't stop us. Back on. Ooh! Conscious. Always been me, I'm popping. It looks good. Got a little bit of the strawberry. Let's get a little bit of the yogurt. Oh shit! Remember, cook some or eat some. And you gotta look at it like, is my foot in there or what? Yeah, it is. And that sriracha's good. It's definitely got like a seasoned flavor. I'm taking this back with me to my desk. We are clocked in for work. I'm still working at 12:30 to 9 shift, unfortunately. Yo. Yo. I'm going to, oh, we got a call. Thank you for contacting. My name is
Later.
Tteokbokki. I am very, very nervous about the actual rice cakes. I'm kind of weird about texture. So I don't know if I'm really gonna like them or not, but I believe I would like the flavor of them. Into work. I don't know about this. Let me put my headset back on. Make sure I am muted. Like, oh no, I'm nervous.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, no. Oh no. Alright, why am I still chewing it? Alright. Like, I can't get past the texture of the rice cake itself. As you saw, it was very chewy. It was like gum. It was like gum. It just wouldn't break down. It tastes like it wants to taste like kimchi, which I love kimchi. And then it tastes really sweet. That was not pleasant. Wow. For those of y'all that know me, this right here was a big deal. Let me...
Trash.
This should look good. Chicken nuggets, avocado, cucumber, carrot, spinach, dressing, the whole shebang. I've been wanting a salad lately, for sure. For sure. Oh, I didn't bring a water back here? What? I'm so sorry. I gotta go. All right, so it is 11:11. I'm hungry, but I'm not like hungry for like a meal. It's more like I'm a little peckish. So I do have, man, this is like a Trader Joe's kind of day of eating. I have the vegan plant-based pork rinds, which I've had before and are tasty. But it's like, am I in the mood for this or am I in the mood for this? Shit! Like, I'm shaking.
A few moments later.
I've never had anything truffle. Okay. I like the texture. I definitely feel like my breath is gonna stink. But I like it. I'm here for it. I wonder if it would be good with hot sauce. Now, comment down below your favorite hot sauce. I love me this Frank's Red Hot. I don't know why. This Tapatio. Is this a gross mixture? Probably, but I don't want to drink no funky water. My breath is gonna be kicking after this. Oh, that is the light. Bruh, this looks so much better. Wow, this is so much better. And I apologize for the last couple clips that just did not look all that well. I finished my chips and now I want something sweet. So, sweet cinnamon filled Korean pancakes. Ooh, it looks good. So I've never had this before, right? But I am also in the mood for some ice cream. Are you a frozen yogurt? Are you a ice cream? Are you a gelato? Are you a sherbet kind of person? Me personally, I like sherbet. I'm all about my sherbets. But I finally found an ice cream. This is Simple Truth. I think this is from Kroger's. It's the oat milk sea salt caramel ice cream. Ooh. Yes. Burnt the bottom of it. Let's see. Maybe. Oh, I should try it without anything, huh? Okay, let's try it first without. This is like sweet cinnamon filled type dough. Yeah. I'm not blown away. Okay, so I think it's because I burnt the bottom, honestly. Like, well, this side's not that bad. I'm pretty sure it's because I burnt the bottom, but whee! Ow! That was crazy. Yeah. It's all right. Fucking thirsty now. Some more chocolate milk. Just a little swig. Oh, that tastes horrible with the fucking ugh. 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 All right, well. Well, I am over today's eating. The best meal of the day was obviously brunch, breakfast, the French toast with the potatoes. Like, OMG, that was so delicious. Okay, well, that was the highlight of my day today. Comment down below anything that you saw that you might want to try. Thanks for watching. That's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week with another video. Bye. I hit my chin on the refrigerator. Okay, bye.